Welcome back to Racing Cars, where we dive deep into the world of automotive excellence. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Toyota Celsior, a modern masterpiece blending luxury, performance, and cutting-edge tech. This isn't just any sedan, it's a modified beast redefining sophistication. Buckle up as we break down every component of this engineering marvel. The 2025 Toyota Celsior is a symphony of power and elegance. Under the hood lies a modified 4.0L twin-turbo V8, now pushing 620 horsepower and 580 pound-feet of torque, thanks to upgraded turbos, a high-flow exhaust, and an ECU tune. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive bias, it delivers lightning-fast shifts and exhilarating acceleration. The adaptive air suspension has been recalibrated for a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, while carbon ceramic brakes ensure stopping power matches the speed. Inside, the Celsior is a tech haven. The cabin features hand-stitched Nappa leather, heated and cooled massaging seats, and a panoramic glass roof. The infotainment system boasts a 14-inch touchscreen with AI voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a 22-speaker Mark Levinson sound system. For drivers, a 12.3-inch digital cluster with augmented reality navigation keeps you ahead of the curve. Externally, the Celsior wears a full carbon fiber body kit, reducing weight while enhancing aerodynamics. The aggressive front grille, LED matrix headlights, and quad exhaust setup scream performance. Riding on 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires, it grips the road like a supercar. Safety isn't compromised, with Toyota's latest advanced drive system offering Level 3 semi-autonomous driving, night vision assist, and 360-degree cameras. Every detail, from the active rear steering to the noise-canceling tech, ensures a refined yet thrilling drive. That's the 2025 Toyota Celsior, a perfect fusion of luxury and raw power. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more high-octane content. Until next time, keep racing.